all your errors. Like digital cameras that make amateur photos.
Current loop video is now locked.
Up in your love affair, and I'd rather be royals.
Wow, women are horrible at driving.
Wait for us. He claimed it.
I've been waiting for that to happen. They're speeding right in front of a cop, right? They're right next to me, and he's now speeding up. Yep.
You got him. Guess he does.
That is the triple threat that you usually get on time. All of these subjects covered as a segment.
Whoa! Flipping hell!
Right now, get it on the free Absolute Radio app. The boys are back.
Whoa! Oh gosh! Woo! That was really close.
Twitter will implode, now Twitter will collapse. Musk will do this. अभी देखो कैसे मजा आएगा इसके ऊपर lawsuit लगेगा.
What are you doing here,
actually? And it's going fairly okay also.
The Patriot and Independent States. So these are heavy hitters. He's the executive producer, and
So you went out there for the day and they shot you?
went to Portland, which is an incredible town.
What the
and had to
asshole? Did they pay you for this? Fuck me, Con.
So we're guessing that's probably going to be like step one. Are you serious? What are you doing?
Oh my gosh.
What did that guy just do? BDXW17. What did he do?
It's like trying to squeeze in between those two cars.
Oh, great. Now there's an accident. We're going to have to... Did he hit
hit him?
anybody? I don't know. Did he?
Oh no, it's an old guy. Oh, he's just writing it down. Oh, you're kidding. Did we just witness an accident?
Yeah, it looks that way.
Can we go, or do we have to stay and witness
I
this?
don't know, but we're not going anywhere because we're behind these two, so... I don't know what's going to happen.
Oh, this poor older guy.
What I can do, this is Albuquerque, so what I can do is...
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I love that. And I'm such a big fan of peer groups and one-to-one coaching. I think every MSP should be in a peer group or be coached. And I genuinely mean that. There are so many great peer groups around. You know, you run some here in the UK. Ian Luckett and Stuart Warwick, they run the MSP Growth Hub, which is very highly respected. There's lots of vendors, aren't there, that have peer groups. There's so many peer groups around, and yet I don't know if you know.
We've seen that 97% of you watching aren't subscribed. If you enjoy watching us, just hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to never miss any upload. And if you have crazy footage, submit your videos using the link in the description.
Oh my God! 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 Oh my God!
What are you doing? It's oh my gosh.
Bro is just driving his truck backwards, bro. Yo, I'm following, bro. This is crazy. Yo, Hagerstown wildin'. Yo, he's nice with it.
Emergency video.
Guys, oh my God, what is he doing, man?
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £2 for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available.
And then there's like a chase like right in here. Okay, stop by that.
Oh shit.
What an idiot.
What are you doing?
Oh my God.
He's right. He just
just need to make it work.
Oh my god!
You just need to make it work.
Oh my god! Hey, let me put my shit in park. Shit, so fuck me, mate. Let me put my shit in park first. Fuck.
Now in Europe, the polo. Ah, yeah. Holy shit! Oh my god!
Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ, dog. Come on.
Fucking hell!
Both practice sessions, Tommy's like, Carl's just scored some points, and he's looking like he's going to be on the podium at this rate. So, let's get straight into a question. From P1 Pitch, remember, Captain Ops 3420. Is the Williams hype train in full force?
Oh, goodness, man.
License plate.
Get the oh my god, dude! Whoa!
Did I get that? I wonder if I got that.
The 2 billion kilometer point of the way. You're all descended from the stoners, or the people who lived in the Thistledown, Harrelson asked. Yes, Ramkakura said. Excuse me, Heinemann said. How many people live here? How large is this Axis city?
Shit.
Ooh, you fucking twat. Go fuck yourself, you what the fuck?